Hello friends, welcome to Quizelix. Today we are going to play Would You Rather Quiz Animal Edition. Make sure you subscribe for more awesome quizzes like this. Let's go. Would you rather have a pet tiger or have a pet shark? Good luck taking either one for a walk. Would you rather swim with dolphins or fly with eagles? One gives you fins, the other gives you freedom. Choose wisely. Would you rather talk to dogs or talk to cats? Imagine what your dog really thinks when you sing in the shower. Would you rather ride an elephant or ride a camel? One's a slow ride, the other's a desert class. Would you rather feed a lion or feed a crocodile? You should be fast enough either way. Would you rather live in a jungle or live in the ocean? Land or sea? Pick your chaos. Would you rather be as fast as a cheetah or be as strong as a gorilla? Speed or power? The real question is, can you still open the pickle jar? Would you rather have feathers or have fur? Either way, you're going to need a new wardrobe. Would you rather be a panda for a day or be a wolf for a day? Cuteness overload or alpha energy? Which one's your vibe? Would you rather own 100 cats or own 100 dogs? That's not a home anymore, that's a full-time job. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.